Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting external monitors to their Lenovo ThinkPad laptops? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect monitor. Start by connecting your monitor to the laptop using a USB-C or HDMI cable and ensure the monitor is powered on. Step 2. Power up. Power on both the monitor and your Lenovo ThinkPad E585. If the monitor isn't detected, go to your desktop, right-click, and select Display Settings. Step 3. Adjust settings. In the Display Settings, click Detect to identify your monitor. Select the monitor icon to adjust resolution and orientation settings as desired. Step 4. Select Mode. Choose your preferred display mode, duplicate, extend, or use only the external monitor. Make your choice under the Multiple Displays dropdown. Step 5. Set refresh rate. Ensure optimal performance by adjusting the screen refresh rate. Go to Display Adapter Properties, then Monitor, and select the correct refresh rate. Now, you're all set to extend your visual workspace with your external monitor. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lenovo users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.